Yeah, fucking bullshit. Hey Thomas, what do you have to say about it?
Yo, that shit is the motherfucking worst dragon you ever hear sleep, yo. It's like a hibernating bear that never fucking stops. Let it be known, Fletcher is a beast when it comes to sleep.
Yo, he looks like having a seizure. He looks like he's dying, yo.
Let's just say you don't know how to reach the door.
It's fucked up, man. Fucking bullshit. Sleep with this shit all night is fucking bullshit.
This is what we go through every fucking night before.
Bullshit.